Today, we're taking a deep dive into the exciting progress of the ongoing renovations at the iconic Camp Nou. If you're a fan of FC Barcelona or football in general, this transformation is something you won't want to miss. The renovation of Camp Nou, FC Barcelona's iconic stadium, is moving forward rapidly, representing a key phase in the club's bold plan to modernize its infrastructure and strengthen its global influence. This extensive project is a cornerstone of the Espai Barça initiative, a transformative vision aimed at upgrading the stadium, Palau Blaugrana, and the surrounding urban area. As shown in Espai Hector's video, the renovation work at Camp Nou continues to progress steadily, with major efforts focused on a few crucial areas. The focus is on the existing stands, where structural improvements and interior improvements are underway to increase spectator safety and comfort. Significant progress is being made in the construction of the third-tier structure, which is nearing completion before the giant beams of the third stand begin to be installed. In addition, work is progressing on the development of the underground spaces surrounding the stadium, which will include new facilities that will contribute to the modernization of the venue. This includes the construction of extended parking spaces designed to accommodate the increased number of visitors and improve access on match days. These improvements are part of a wider vision to transform Camp Nou into a world-class destination, ensuring it remains a premier venue for both sport and entertainment. The renovation of Camp Nou is just one part of the larger Espai Barça initiative, a groundbreaking $1.5 billion project that represents the most significant transformation in FC Barcelona's history. Beyond the stadium itself, Espai Barça includes the modernization of the Palau Blaugrana, the club's basketball arena, and the redevelopment of the surrounding area, which will feature new public spaces, improved transport infrastructure, and enhanced facilities for fans and tourists alike. Espai Barça is designed to integrate FC Barcelona more deeply into the urban fabric of the city, making the club's facilities not just a destination for match days, but a key cultural and entertainment hub for Barcelona. This holistic vision will see the creation of spaces that encourage community engagement, such as parks, plazas, and commercial areas, fostering a stronger connection between the club and its local and international supporters. The redesigned Camp Nou will increase its seating capacity from 99,000 to approximately 105,000, making it one of the largest football stadiums in the world. However, the expansion goes beyond just adding seats. The new design will include a roof, which will cover all spectators, improving comfort in all weather conditions. This roof will also feature integrated solar panels, in line with the club's commitment to sustainability and reducing its carbon footprint. Technologically, the new Camp Nou will be a state-of-the-art facility. Plans include upgraded audio-visual systems, high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity, and improved accessibility features for disabled fans. These advancements are designed to enhance the fan experience, blending live football with digital interaction. The new stadium will also offer VIP and hospitality sections, providing a premium experience for corporate clients and tourists, contributing to increased matchday revenue. The club plans to partially reopen sections of the stadium by the 2025-2026 season, with the entire project expected to be completed by 2026. During this period, matches will continue to be held at Camp Nou, though with a reduced capacity due to ongoing construction. Financially, the project represents a significant investment for FC Barcelona, with the club securing funds through a combination of long-term loans, sponsorships, and strategic partnerships. One of the key financial components is the naming rights deal with Spotify. This partnership, along with the anticipated increase in matchday revenues and the ability to host large-scale events, is expected to offset the costs of the renovation over time. The renovation of Camp Nou is more than just a facelift for the stadium. It is a strategic move that will position FC Barcelona at the forefront of global sports in the 21st century. The new facilities will enable the club to compete financially with its European rivals by increasing matchday revenue, attracting high-profile international events, and offering fans a world-class experience. For Barcelona as a city, the renovation of Camp Nou is a catalyst for urban regeneration, bringing economic benefits through tourism, job creation, and infrastructure development. The integration of the Espai Barça project into the city's landscape will ensure that the area surrounding the stadium becomes a vibrant district, benefiting both locals and visitors. In the coming years, the new Camp Nou will stand as a testament to FC Barcelona's vision of the future, one that honors the club's rich history while embracing innovation and sustainability. It is a project that will define the next chapter in the club's storied legacy, reinforcing its motto, "Més que un club, more than a club." Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.